गच्छामि, भवान गच्छतु, अहम गच्छामि, भवान गच्छतु। यानी आप सामने, आपके सामने व्यक्ति खड़ा है तो उसे कह रहे हैं आप जाइए, क्या आप जा सकते हैं, तो क्या कहेंगे, भवान गच्छतु। या आपके सामने किशोर खड़ा है, किशोर किशोरः गच्छतु। इट इज सिंपल। वर्तमान काले लिंग भेद अस्ति वा, एतत् सर्वे वर्तमान कालम दर्शयति खलु। ये सब आपको प्रेजेंट टेंस दिखाता है। एम आई राइट और रॉन्ग? प्लीज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ इंटरेक्शन।
राइट सर।
तो अग्रे वर्तमान काले कोपी लिंग भेद अस्ति वा,
वर्तमान काले लिंग भेद नास्ति।
नास्ति, लिंग भेद नास्ति, न लिंग भेद नास्ति। उत्तम उत्तम। तो महिला भी गच्छति, अहम, महिला बोल रही है अहम गच्छामि, और भगिनी गच्छतु, मैं अगर इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहा हूं तो भगिनी गच्छतु। ओके, नाउ एज वी सेड के दशरथः पुत्रः रामः, यहाँ पे रिलेशनशिप दिखा रहे हैं, एक दूसरे का कनेक्शन दिखा रहे हैं कि किसका किसके साथ कनेक्शन है। सो हियर व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वी आर डूइंग इज, इट्स अ विभक्ति which is focused for relationship. What is the main hetu or main focus for this vibhakti is to show you relationship between two people or two objects or one person, one object, anything of that sort. So if the word is pulling, as we know, Dashratah putra Ramah, yani Dashrath ka beta putra Ramah, Dashrath ka putra. The ka is missing over here. Because frankly speaking, if you see all the three words as it is all in Prathama Vibhakti. Means all are a form of karta. Right? So, means it is the form of subject. So, Dashratah putrah Ramah. Dashrath ka putra Ram. Dashrath's son is Ram. So Dashrath means Dashrathasya putrah Ramah. Is this pulling very clear to y'all? This is known as Sashti Vibhakti. Is the pulling factor means masculine? Masculine gender का ये जो change है सिया लगाना, is it clear? Is this concept absolutely clear in everybody's mind?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कोपी क्लिष्टम नास्ति, कोई भी डिफिकल्टी नहीं है, राइट? नमो नमः, हाँ, नमो नमः डॉक्टर, नमो नमः कमोदिनी, नमो नमः कमोदिनी,
नमो नमः गुरुजी,
नमो नमः। और मिस्टर अय्यर, नमो नमः,
नमो नमः जी,
नमो नमः। सो नाउ गोइंग अहेड, थोड़ा इंटरेक्शन होगा तो थोड़ी स्पिरिट बनेगी। हाँ, क्लास में थोड़ा सा स्पिरिट बनेगा। I don't say कि you are not supposed to say at all or not at all switch on your mic. I have not instructed that way. But switch on the mic with the responsibility that you switch it off when you have answered or when we have interacted. That's it. Nothing more than that. Agre. Shivaha putraha Ganeshah. Shivasya putraha Ganeshah. Similarly, Ganeshasya pita Shivaha. Ganeshasya pita Shivaha. Now, Janakaha putri Sita. Janakaha putri Sita. तो होगा क्या? जनकस्य पुत्री सीता. जनकस्य पुत्री सीता. अग्रे. कर्णः सूर्यः पुत्र. कर्णः सूर्यः पुत्रः. So as we know our history, we know that Karna was son of Surya. Means Surya's son is Karna. तो Surya's son, apostrophe s किसमें लगेगा? कर्ण में नहीं लगेगा, किसमें लगेगा? सूर्य में, सूर्य में लगेगा. तो इसी तरह से कर्णः सूर्यस्य पुत्रः. या तो फिर सूर्यस्य पुत्र पुत्रः कर्णः, दैट्स इट, नो प्रॉब्लम। नाउ वित्तकोशः नाम किम, वित्तकोशस्य नाम किम? कैन एनीबडी टेल मी व्हाट इज वित्तकोशः? आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट। वित्तकोशः,
Bank.
You told us, Guruji, yesterday it is a bank.
yes,
Bank.
but I want to repeat from your side also, whether
Yes,
you
yes.
remember or not.
Yes.
Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Purna Chandraha.
Guruji, you had given the example of pocket also, so everyone remembers.
right. Purna Chandraha Saundaryam Mahat. Purna Chandrasya Saundaryam Mahat. Agree. आंध्र प्रदेशस्य राजधानी भाग्यनगरम। आंध्र प्रदेशस्य राजधानी हैदराबाद यानी भाग्यनगरम। अग्रे मार्गः अरे वर्गस्य अनंतरम तो ये हो गया, वर्गस्य अनंतरम अल्पाहारम नास्ति। एषः कस्य पुत्रः? कस्य इज अ क्वेश्चन इन षष्ठी विभक्ति, किसका बेटा है? whose son is it? whose, WHO'S, whose. so what will be? एषः, answer can be एषः अर्जुनस्य पुत्रः या एषः तस्य पुत्रः. he is standing next there and you can say अरे एषः तस्य पुत्रः. समीचीनम्. now मार्गः अन्ते मम गुरुहं, मार्गस्य अन्ते मम गुरुहं, मार्गस्य अन्ते. As I have already reminded you, in this sentence there are two षष्ठी vibhaktis, because there are actually speaking there are two separate sentences. Margasya ante, finish. Mama guruham, uttamam. Mama guruham अस्तु, मार्गस्य अन्ते. अग्रे वृक्षः अधः छाया भवति, वृक्षस्य अधः छाया भवति. अभी इसमें तो काफी अच्छी तरह से कुमुदिनी ने आंसर दिया था, so I appreciate. yes, rasva and dirgha, she actually bifurcated. fine. now स्त्रीलिंग, यानी पुलिंग में हमने क्या किया था? स्य लगाया था, स्य. नाउ इन स्त्रीलिंग, सीता पति ही रामः. सीता, सीता, सीता आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग, isn't it? Isn't it आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग? so सीता याहा पति ही रामः. सीता सीतायाः पति ही रामः. सीता सीतायाः. सीता आकारant स्त्रीलिंग, yaha. Now you will know the importance of akarant and ikarant. Okay, from now onwards you will understand what is the importance of akarant and ikarant. Now Ramasya patni Sita, simple. Agree. Sorry. सुभद्रा पति ही अर्जुनः. सुभद्रा आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग, सुभद्रायाः पति ही अर्जुनः. सुभद्रायाः पति ही अर्जुनः. अग्रे अर्जुनस्य पत्नी सुभद्रा. स्य पुल्लिंग, स्य आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग, याः. दैट्स इट. महिला सुरक्षा मुखिया, क्या होगा? किसमें लगेगा यहाँ पे?
महिला या सुरक्षा मुखिया.
महिला या नहीं, याहा. या बोल देंगे तो इट विल चेंज द टोटल मीनिंग, बिकॉज दैट इज अगेन अ डिफरेंट विभक्ति.
महिला या सुरक्षा मुखिया.
उत्तमम, अति उत्तमम, अति उत्तम. महिला याहा सुरक्षा मुखिया. उत्तम। अग्रे भाषा विकासः अनिवार्यः मीन्स व्हाट? भाषा का विकास यानी डेवलपमेंट ऑफ लैंग्वेज is unavoidable. Development of language is unavoidable. You cannot avoid the development of any language rather. So भाषा आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग, भाषा याः विकासः अनिवार्यः, भाषा याः विकासः अनिवार्यः। Now पत्रिका नाम लोकसत्ता, पत्रिका आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग, पत्रिका याः नाम लोकसत्ता, एक्सक्यूज मी, पत्रिका याः नाम लोकसत्ता। अग्रे छुरिका अग्रभागः तीक्ष्णः, तीक्ष्णः यानी शार्प, छुरिका अग्रभागः तीक्ष्ण। किसका अग्रभागः तीक्ष्ण? छुरिका का आगे का भाग शार्प है, अग्रभागः तीक्ष्ण। सो छुरिका आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग, छुरिका याः अग्रभागः तीक्ष्णः, छुरिका याः। आगे चलते, शय्या उपरी मा कुर्दतु, मा कुर्दतु, कुर्दतु जैसे ही क्रिया आई, so what it is indicating? What is indicated by kurdatu? Kurdatu, what does it mean?
I think it is fertile.
Sorry?
Fertile.
Subtile?
Fertile. It is fertile to raise crops.
Nana, I think Shayya Upari Ma Kurdatu means.
No. I am asking you the meaning of this thing.
Kurdatu. Oh, sorry, sir.
I am asking
Shayya
about.
Upari.
I am asking about kurdatu. Kurdatu shows what? You are ordering or requesting somebody.
हाँ तो सुओ तमे, शैया ऊपर तमे सुओ।
माँ कुर्दतु, कुर्दतु એટલે कूदो એટલે એમ કે છે
कूदो,
यानी टू जंप करना, यानी आप है ना मदर को बोल रहे हैं कि मदर सैया के ऊपर कूदो। शय्या ऊपरी माँ कुर्दतु यानी यू आर टेलिंग माँ मदर टू जंप ऑन द बेड।
ना कुर्दतु,
माँ कुर्दतु क्या? हाँ, कोई मदर को बोलेगा कि बेड के ऊपर कूदो? कौन बोलेगा भाई? हाँ को इसने बोला
ना, बोला ना।
माँ यानी डोंट। तो शैया मीन्स बेड, बेड के ऊपर मत कूदो। We jump ना, छोटे बच्चे रहते हैं, they keep on jumping on the bed and all that. So normally what the mothers say, अरे don't jump on the bed, okay? Don't spoil the bed, don't jump on the bed. So shayya आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग. Now see here, shayya already has ya, so do not make a mistake to add directly the visarg. It should be शय्या याहा ऊपरी माँ कुर्दतु. या तो है, जनरल मिस्टेक है ये, वेरी कॉमन मिस्टेक. अगर रिटन एग्जाम्स वगैरह में देखते हैं, बिकॉज आई चेक पेपर्स ऑल्सो, सो प्रॉब्लम ये आती है कि शय्या याहा लिखने की जगह पे शय्या लिखा, विसर्ग डाल दिए. सिली मिस्टेक है, इट इज नॉट इंटेंशनली, बट यू हैव टू ऑलवेज कीप इट इन माइंड कि शय्या इज अ वर्ड आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग, तो यू हैव टू ऐड याहा. तो शय्या याहा ऊपरी माँ कुर्दतु, डोंट जंप. कुर्दतु मीन्स जंप, कुर्दती इज जंपिंग. ओके, तो सह बालकः कुर्दति, अहम कुर्दामि, भवान कुर्दतु. These are the three ways. Kurdati is not in the chart. So please give lot of attention to the slides as well. Okay. Shayya yaha upari ma kurdatu. Did you all realize what we are doing? We are building our vocabulary and learning vibhakti at the same time, understanding the language. Because if you don't understand, you will never speak. You will never use it as a language. Shayya yaha upari ma kurdatu. Agre.
सर
हाँ जी.
तो कुर्दतु मतलब कुर्द जंप और तू रिक्वेस्ट.
Exactly.
ओके.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Fine. Now, going ahead, we are coming with Ikaranta Striling. These were all Akaranta Striling. Now, Ikaranta Striling. Parvati. Parvati. Parvati Patihi Shivaha. Now, in all the Vibhaktis, except the first Vibhakti and the second Vibhakti, rest of the 5 Vibhaktis have the same rule. And what is that? Ikarant ka rule hai, Vibhakti. So Parvati, Parvati ka pati, so ka is missing. So aapko Parvati ka likhna hai. So in Ikarant Striling, last alphabet is half and add yaha. Okay, so it will become Parvatyaha Patihi Shivaha. Parvatyaha. Observe this sentence carefully, please. Is it clear? Parvati, Parvatyaha.
Yes.
Parvati,
Yes.
Parvatyaha.
Whenever there is a akaran striling, like
Huh?
Sita will be
Huh?
Sitayaha.
No.
And if it is
It is
Parvati,
Akaran.
if it is Parvati, that is ikaran striling, then it will be Atyaha.
The last alphabet has to be cut half. It can be any alphabet. No?
Acha. And Yaha will be half with the last alphabet.
Last alphabet. You have to
Okay.
join it.
Okay.
Okay. So Parvatyaha, Tyaha is how you are going to say. Same thing. Shivasya Patni Parvati. Shivasya Patni Kaha Parvati. Samichinam. Agre. Vithi Arambhe Mama Karyalayah. Vithi means gully ya lane. A narrow lane is known as Vithi. Am I clear? एक सेकंड जरा रुकना पड़ेगा.
क्लियर.
एक सेकंड के लिए जरा रुकिएगा. I need to take my medicine. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, Shaila, you want to ask me anything? Shaila?
No, sir.
Dr. Anita, be active, ask questions. There are no questions, I suppose, to you. Why?
I'm worried more about you than the Sanskrit now.
No, now I am quite normal. Now even my pressure is under control. It was, yeah, 130 by 90. It was fine. So now I am in control. But don't be worried, I am going to live for 200 years, doctor. है ना? आप लोग सब साथ में.
You don't understand the implications of BP going up.
Now, Vithi Arambhe Mama Karyalayah. Vithi. Vithi means a narrow lane or a gully जिसे कहते हैं, street, a normal street. So, Vithi Arambhe Mama Karyalayah. वित्थी इकारांत स्त्रीलिंग, वित्थी इकारांत स्त्रीलिंग, तो इट विल बिकम वित्थी, थ को आधा कर देना है, यहाँ ऐड, यू ऐड यहाँ इन वित्थी, सो इट विल बिकम वित्थ्याः आरंभे, वित्थ्याः आरंभे मम कार्यालयः, मार्गस्य अन्ते मम गृहम्, मार्गः पुल्लिंग, मार्गस्य अन्ते मम गृहम्, वित्थ्याः आरंभे मम कार्यालयः, so ante आरंभे, isn't it? Ante and arambhe, same thing, like in that sentence, here also two vibhaktis, vittyaha and mama, two vibhaktis in one sentence, we can have it, there is no problem. Agre, bhavati gruham kutra asti, can anybody help me to change now this into Sashti vibhakti?
भवत्याः गृहं
भवत्याः गृहं कुत्र अस्ति?
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. भवत्याः नाम किम? मम नाम अर्जुनः. भवतः नाम किम? भवत्याः नाम किम? Remember that words?
Yes.
भवतः नाम किम? भवत्याः नाम किम? Now that bhavatyaha, now you know what was that? You somebody had asked me, there is a visarga. Then how it is related to striling? Because this visarga is the part of the grammar, not the part of bhavati, not the part of bhavati, but part of grammar. So last alphabet is cut and yaha is added. So bhavatyaha gruham kutra asti? भवत्याः गृहं कुत्र अस्ति? उत्तम. घटी ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग, घटी नाम वॉच, घड़ी जो पहनते हैं वो उसे घटी कहते हैं. तो घटी ऊपरी, घटी ऊपरी काचः अस्ति, घटी, तो घटी का ट आधा करना है, ईकारांत है तो ट आधा करना है, तो कैसे करेंगे आप ट को आधा? कोई बताएगा मुझे? ट को आप आधा कर सकते हैं क्या? इज इट पॉसिबल? नो. हाँ, हलन, एब्सोल्युटली राइट. सो घट्याः उपरि काचः अस्ति. अभी डोंट प्रोनाउंस दिस एज घट याः, घट याः उपरि काचः अस्ति इज रॉन्ग. घट, घटः is the pulling. So in that case it will become ghatasya upari kachah asti. परंतु यहाँ पे क्या है? घटी ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग, तो घट्याः उपरि काचः अस्ति. Am I clear?
Yes sir.
Yes,
Any doubts please?
yes.
भगिनी संभाषणम सम्यक अस्ति. बोलिए. बोलिए. से व्हाट इज आंसर?
भगिन्याः
संभाषणम सम्यक
सम्यक् अस्ति.
अस्ति. सम्यक मीन्स नाइस. संभाषणम मीन्स कम्युनिकेशन. संभाषणम मीन्स कम्युनिकेशन. नपुंसकलिंग, न्यूट्रल जेंडर, नपुंसकलिंग. मंदिरम नाम किम? मंदिरम नाम किम, तो इट इज अ इनकम्प्लीट.
सम्यक का मीनिंग समझ.
एक सेकंड ना, सॉरी डॉक्टर, आई वाज ट्राइंग टू म्यूट समबडी एल्स एंड या डॉक्टर.
सम्यक का मीनिंग समझ नहीं आया लास्ट सेंटेंस.
हाँ, मैं यही बता रहा हूँ. सम्यक मीन्स नाइस, प्रॉपर, नाइस, परफेक्ट. सम्यक मीन्स परफेक्ट, फाइन, ओके.
Guruji, can we say smooth? नहीं.
नो, नॉट स्मूथ.
Okay.
स्मूथ नहीं है.
Oh.
It is samyak means nice, ya right, ya perfect.
Okay. Okay.
Doctor, is it okay? Did you understand?
Yes, yes, Sanj.
Kamodini, Monica,
Yes.
Manoj
Yes,
Mahoday. Manoj Mahoday.
Sir,
Did you understand the point properly?
sir, this last sentence I couldn't get up. There was some disturbances, so I lost you.
Okay. What is the, sorry, really, excuse me. I am having little bit yawning and all that. It looks indecent, but yeah. Bhagini Sambhashanam Samyak Asti. This is Bhagini Sambhashanam. Fine. Bhagini Sambhashanam Samyak Asti. Bhagini is sister. Sambhashanam means communication, to talk. Samyak means her talking, sisters talking is Sambhashanam, communication is very nice. Samyak, very nice. Yeah, perfect. Is
Got it.
perfect. So here it will be Bhaginyaha Sambhashanam Samyak Asti. Sambhashanam Samyak Asti. Agree. Mandiram Namakim. Mandiram Namakim. So it is halfway. Mandiram Namakim. No. Mandirs, what is the name of the temple? Of the temple. That is missing. Something is missing. Mandir ka naam kya? So ka is missing over here. This is in Prathama Vibhakti. Mandiram being neutral gender, it is Prathama Vibhakti.
So
Here-
it will be Mandiranya because no, that Anuswar is there and then Ya will be there with it. So
So
it
you
will
know,
be upar dot
Mandiram.
છે ને રોની ઉપર અનુસ્વાર છે તો
हाँ,
મંદિરમ છે હા તો
Mandiram.
મંદિરમ યાહા નામ કિમ
Napunsakling. Napunsakling is the same as pulling. So from Dvitiya
Mandirasya?
Vibhakti,
Mandirasya.
Mandirasya
नाम किम?
હા અચ્છા ઓકે
now only in Prathama Vibhakti there is a differentiation. From Dvitiya Vibhakti till the 7th Vibhakti, pulling and Napunsakling will go together. Means masculine and neutral gender will be as it is. The changes will be the same. Am I clear with this? Now, do you understand why there was a conflict that Mitra, yani friend, should be Mitraha because he is a male gender, masculine. So Surya Dev, advocate, came down and he said, okay, not done. I cannot allow because Surya Dev is having the patent, the trademark registration, patent registration, as well as we would put it IP registration in his name, in Surya Dev. So Rishi Munis thought, okay, why to have conflict? No change. Let's put Mitra into neutral gender. Why? It was simple because from except Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Sasti, Saptami, all these Vibhaktis will go same as, both the cases will be same. So that is not going to make any difference to whether it is in Napunsakling or Pulling. So they kept the copyright of Surya Dev with Surya Dev, but with the putting them into a neutral gender had a sense, isn't it? That's what we saw just now. Mandirasya Namakim. Mandirasya Nam Lakshmi Narayan Mandiram. Now, agree. Parnaha. Parnam. Parnam means leaf, patta. पेड़ पे से पत्ता निकलता है ना, that leaf is known as parnam. So Parnam, Varnah, Parnam, Varnah, Haritah. Varnah means color. Haritah means green. So
Varnasya.
exactly. Parnasya
Varanam. Haritah.
Varnaha Haritaha. Varnani. Varnaha. Okay. Varnaha. It's not Varna only. Now, question. You have to ask question. What is the question? Like we had done earlier. Like we had done earlier. What is the question? Tell me. We have taken this into a sentence. We have done it earlier. Kasya putraha. Kasya means kaha. Saha kaha. Didn't we ask saha kaha? Saka. Tat kim. We did that.
Yes,
So
yes,
that-
we did it.
So that kaha, remove the visarga sya. Kasya putraha syutaha. Kasya syutaha. Tasya syutaha. Uska. Kiska? Kasya. Uska. Same thing. Kasya yutakam. Balakasya yutakam. Kasya yutakam. Balakasya yutakam. Samichinam. Am I right or wrong, please?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, यानी क्या sir? Do you have difficulty? Then we can talk over there.
No, sir. Can you repeat this yuvakasya part?
Yeah. युवकस्य नहीं है.
Kas,
हाँ, युवकस्य युतकम means kasya yutakam. Yutakam यानी शर्ट. तो ये युवक है ना, he is a young man. So युवकस्य युतकम सुंदरम अस्ति. युवकस्य युतकम सुंदरम अस्ति. युवकस्य. Now did you all understand, please? Those who had asked me the question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now feminine gender.
Sir.
Kasyaha. हाँ.
Sir, kasya means uska or yours,
Uska.
not yours.
Nah, how can it be yours? It is uska.
Okay.
Now feminine gender. Kasyaha syutah. Kasyaha syutah. किसकी बैग है? तस्याहा स्यूतः. उसकी बैग है. तस्याहा स्यूतः. तस्याहा. Same thing. कस्याहा पुस्तकम. कस्याहा पुस्तकम. बालिकायाः पुस्तकम. बालिकायाः पुस्तकम. Are we clear till here?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, in case ये लड़की का नाम प्रीति होता, प्रीति. So, what will be the change with Sashti Vibhakti?
Pritasyaha pustakam.
No. Prityaha.
Prityaha.
प्रीत्याहा. लास्ट अल्फाबेट को हाफ करके यहाँ लगाना है. कस्याहा पुस्तकम. प्रीत्याहा पुस्तकम. प्रीति प्रीत्याहा. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is actually not relevant, so we will omit it. This is, we have completed with Sashti Vibhakti. Now, a small song on Sashti Vibhakti. It is not actually a song. So, let us see what it is. Something like rap, we would say. Rap music, that is way. Here you will find the different forms of Sashti Vibhakti. Pulling, Akaranta Striling, Akaranta Striling, and Napunsakling. What happens with this? Okay. मुंबई मुकुंदः, मुंबई मुकुंदः चेन्नई गच्छति, मुंबई मुकुंदः चेन्नई गच्छति, मुंबई मुकुंदः मुकुंदस्य मित्रं चेन्नई गच्छति, मुंबई मुकुंदः मुकुंदस्य मित्रं चेन्नई गच्छति, मुंबई मुकुंदः मुकुंदस्य मित्रं मित्रस्य पत्नी चेन्नई गच्छति। मित्रम न्यूट्रल जेंडर, राइट? तो मित्रस्य। नाउ पत्नी, पत्नी ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग। मुंबई मुकुंदः मुकुंदस्य मित्रं मित्रस्य पत्नी पत्न्याः अम्बा चेन्नई गच्छति, मुंबई मुकुंदः मुकुंदस्य मित्रं मित्रस्य पत्नी पत्न्याः अम्बा चेन्नई गच्छति। अम्बा आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग। एंड कुकुरः, कुकुरः मीन्स डॉग, कुकुरः मीन्स डॉग, and shunakah for dog, shunakah means puppy. Okay, so now again, Mumbai mukundah mukundasya mitram mitrasya patni patnyaha amba ambayaha, amba akaranta sriling, ambayaha kukurah chennai gacchati. Am I clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now let us go to the
Clear.
next sentence. मुंबई मुकुंदः मुकुंदस्य मित्रं मित्रस्य पत्नी पत्न्याः अम्बा अम्बायाः कुकुरः कुकुरस्य शुनकः चेन्नई गच्छति। शुनकः means puppy. All the forms of vibhakti, Shashti vibhakti are shown here. So now we will go. I will ask you one more question. Who have gone to Chennai? कौन गया? चेन्नई कौन गया?
મુકુંદ, મિત્ર, પત્ની, સાસુ, એનો કૂતરો અને એનો પપ્પી, 6 જણા.
No.
Then
Only Shunak went.
oh, okay.
This is very nice.
Now
Yeah.
why Shunak went? Who is that Shunak? अरे कुकुरस्य शुनकः. अरे परंतु कुकुर कस्य? अम्बायाः. अम्बा कस्य? पत्न्याः. पत्नी किसकी? मित्र की. अरे मित्र किसका? मुकुंद का. अरे मुकुंद कौन? अरे जो बॉम्बे में रहता है मुकुंद, वो. Relationship from Bombay Mukund till the Shunakaha, the relationship, various
Wow.
relationships.
Great.
गुरुजी ने उल्लू बना दिया हमको.
Very nice, very nice.
उल्लू किधर बने भाई?
शुरू से तो सब गए ना. शुरू से तो सब गए.
गुरुजी
नहीं
गुरुजी
नहीं, ये सेंटेंस में मैंने पूछा. मैंने इधर क्या पूछा?
हाँ सर, इधर
कितने
शुनक
जन गए?
इसमें मैंने पूछा.
मुंबई पे विसर्ग,
सॉरी.
मुंबई पे विभक्ति नहीं आएगा?
हाँ, एक्चुअली आना चाहिए. मुंबई ईकारांत है, तो
Yeah.
मुंबईयाः.
Okay.
परंतु इट इज टू मेक इट सस्पेंस क्रिएट कर रहा था ना वहां पे. सो आई टुक ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग इन पत्नी.
गुरुजी you have to give me answer that तुमको मैं उल्लू नहीं बना सकता, क्योंकि उल्लू को कैसे कोई उल्लू बनाए?
नहीं, ऐसे कैसे कह सकता हूं मैं, क्योंकि आप उल्लू हो ही नहीं. इफ आई कंसिडर यू टू बी अ उल्लू, आई विल से दैट ना, उल्लू को उल्लू नहीं बनाया जा सकता. और एक और चीज, उल्लू बनना बहुत अच्छी चीज होती है, क्योंकि वो लक्ष्मी का वाहन है. एंड आई वन मोर थिंग इज, आई जनरली इमीडिएटली डिड नॉट रिस्पॉन्ड टू दैट थिंग इज बिकॉज आई लव आउल्स. मुझे आउल्स बहुत पसंद है. दे आर 360 डिग्री जो सर घुमाते हैं, वंडरफुल. previously in means not that long, around 30 years before, I was in college. I had an owl. मेरे पास एक owl था. It was not in cage. It was free. But I had a grey owl, which is rare actually, very rare. Grey owls. You observe that owl, यार, पूरा rotate करता है. उसका ये सर. And it is not upshukan and all that, huh? Please. It is not considered as upshukan. Rather, till the time I had my owl, till the time it was with me, I had the best time of my life. Best time of my life. But the best time is now. With you all around me. This is my the best time. Yes, thanks, Kamudini. This is my the best time. Now, before we start our next thing, I would like to inform you about our next batch and what it is. There are many new students in this batch. Generally, this batch has the maximum new students. You will all repeat the session because this is the final 40. There are rather, I would put it 45. Some of them were unable to join. Most of them has given their message and everything. But has Sudha come in? Sudha, are you there? Sudha? Advani, Namo Namaha, Advani. Dutnath ji, Namo Namaha.
नमो नमः सर, प्रणाम।
दूतनाथ जी, आप दो सेशन कैसे अटेंड करते हैं पर डे?
आपसे सीखते हैं।
उत्तमम, उत्तमम भगवान, उत्तमम. He attends my early morning batch also, 6:30 batch. So exactly 12 hours इनका revision चल रहा है every 12 hours. So anyways, the thing is that I would request those who want to really go ahead with Sanskritam should go ahead with the next batch. And if possible, if you all think it is right, I feel it is right, but if you take your decision. If you feel fine, from 21st Abhyas Varg is starting. The new students should join Abhyas Varg.
21st. ठीक है।
The basic reason is that you will get a chance to go. This is during the Abhyas work, it will be the same syllabus, more or less. Okay, there are some or two more rather in Abhyas work. But it will make your foundation very clear. Grammar in details. It is a workbook system. So you will be guided with each and every line that you write.
इसका टाइमिंग क्या होगा सर अभ्यास वर्ग का?
अभ्यास वर्ग 5:30 to 7, 1.5 घंटे का ही रहता है.
ठीक है सर, क्लियर.
अभी जिन लोगों को ये अभ्यास वर्ग जुड़ना होगा, इसमें हमने शुल्क रखा है. There is a nominal fee that we have kept it. Please, that fees do not misunderstand me. मैं बहुत अच्छी भावना से कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे कोई गलत लेबल मेरे सर पे नहीं चाहिए. This is not my profession, and that money, very frankly, this Abhyas book, Pustakam, is been published by Sanskrit Bharati. This book cost is 30 rupees. So if you order, it is somewhere around 75 rupees you have to pay. But due to the COVID problem, the deliveries are not happening because this is delivered only and only from Hyderabad. Delhi, and then other branches in Bangalore. So Karnataka is total lockdown as on today. So even previously also, and apart from that, courier service is hampered a lot. So as I am also part of Sanskrit Bharati, I am into their committee and all those things. So they only guided me. They sent me a PDF format and they said, okay, you can spread this thing with your students. So what I have decided, the fee that you will be paying, that is 500 rupees for that session. It is 10-day session, 1.5 hour daily. That's that 500 rupees, out of which 100 rupees goes to Sanskrit Bharati per head, whatever fee you pay, in your name as a donation. Because we are using that, and that is also an NGO. वो भी एक NGO है ना, तो गलत काम नहीं करना है. We don't want to do something which is not accepted by your heart.
Okay, sir. Happily.
Yeah. So that 500 rupees, apart from that, the rest of 400 rupees goes in our adult education program. But I have not yet, I make it clear, I have not yet started adult education program. It will be started next year. Next year, June से शुरू होगा. But वो पूरा fund हम corpus खड़ा कर रहे हैं. We are creating that corpus because there we will be having BA in sociology. BA in sociology as a subject in 4 languages, that is Gujarati, Marathi, Hindi and English. तो उसकी recording वगैरह चल रही है. जो students join होंगे. Plus there are many students who will not be able to pay their fees even to IGNOU. IGNOU यानी Indira Gandhi Open University for their exam fees and all those. That will be managed from this corpus. So our intention is you pay for somebody else's education. In case anybody has any problem, please leave me a message or call me up. They can also attend. I will manage that. That is not a problem. Money is not the criteria, but the study, you have taken the grip. After you do that, again join the July session. There will be a lot of changes. I think so. Jyoti is, Vishala has done that. Jyoti has done. Ramesh Balgi ji has done.
हमारा भी डन है सर, हम भी कर.
आपने भी किया ना महोदय?
नहीं
किया नहीं है आपने, किया नहीं है. हाँ, परंतु मैं जिन्होंने किया है उनके बारे में बोल रहा हूँ. मीनू शायद आपने किया नहीं किया है.
Sir, I have done.
हाँ, sorry.
I have done.
Swati has done. Swati has done. They can share their experience. They can share their experience. They are finding, I think so. That is what feedback I am getting. Yes, Vishala.
I have not done. I wanted to.
You wanted to. Okay, fine.
So,
Sir, I will share.
Yes, yes. Jyoti.
I have purchased book long back, many months before.
Yes, yes.
From Delhi, I have purchased.
Yes, yes. It is online available. But now due to COVID, there is a problem. Yes, Jyoti, can you share?
Yeah, my experience with the workbook is it goes from basics and you write it down, you understand whether you are putting halant, you are putting avisarga and all those things which we have learned from you in the Shibiram. And wo pakka kar deta hai what you have learned. And it is so simple and so nicely done that confidence aa jata hai baad mein after you do that. So it is worth doing, sir.
Yeah.
I have done the workbook at least 10 times myself. After
Yes. Arre Bapre, I said ke only do it for 3 times. You have rubbed it out and then you must have torn the pages then.
No, so I will get another PDF file.
PDF file. So nice of you. So that will make your real ability of sentence formation. And your journey will shorten more. That class is not taken by me, but Jyoti was my student in that class also, because my wife had another exam. So she was preparing for her exams, which was suddenly announced, and I had to take their batch. Jyoti, you were my student, right? In Abhyaswar?
Yes, sir. Me and Ramesh.
Ramesh both, yes. So both have done nicely. So after that Abhyas work is over, you are given a sufficient time and you are already given 6 subjects, topics, 6 topics, on which 2 are compulsory, and out of 4, rest of 4, any 2. This you have to video record and send it. that is your oral exams. 5 marks per topic that will be allotted. That is 20 marks for orals. And again, you are given time. After that, you will be given a paper, PDF paper. In the group, it will be published, and you will be given 24 to 30 hours, 36 hours to submit it back. You have to write in the paper itself. It is an objective paper. You have to write in the paper itself. So as soon as after you complete, you have to take a scan copy from the mobile pe scanners milte hain. You get a mobile pe scanners. So you scan them into a PDF file and email us. You have to email that, because your paper should not be opened by somebody else. So you cannot post it in a group. So accordingly, you have to email us. I will be providing you all with the email ID and everything. And thereafter, you all will be getting is the digital certificate from us. So you all will be having digital certificate of completion of Abhyas Vargam with respective marks. But one thing, nobody's mark will be shared with each other. It is only for you. किसी अंदर competition खड़ा नहीं करना है. We do not want internal competition. Yes, Jyoti.
Sir, one question. If we are making mistake, we will be.
Yes, it is
no,
there.
No?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
It is one-to-one counseling. आपका पूरा चार्ट बन रहा है. How you have answered? What is the problem? What you have not understood? And that is again given a feedback to me. Okay, these are the results. So accordingly, there are chances I may be soon. What you all have written, on that basis, I will be again simplifying the whole process of our learning. Because it should reach you in a right sense. So very frankly, you all will be writing paper, but it is my exam. I will be having the tension of exam. You all are just writing the paper, what I have taught, but I want to evaluate how I have taught you. So it's my exam, not your exam. So with this participation, I would request everybody. Now, next month, after the things, also you can repeat n number of basic sessions. आप जो ये प्राथमिक या अभी का जो वर्क चल रहा है, वो चाहिए उतने बार आप दोहरा सकते हो. Till you find the confidence, yes, basic, now I have done it. After Abhyas work, after confident about basics, there is another level, which is known as Bhasha Bodhan. Now, Bhasha Bodhan, Bhasha Shiksha, Bhasha Varg lete hain उसे, तो वहां पे we go a step ahead. That is, Vibhakti is what we have done, or what we will be doing during this period, 10 days, are only singular. Do you know? It is only singular. Then you will be taught plural Vibhaktis. Apart from that, in Sanskrit, it is singular, dual, and Bahuvachan, means plural. So there is a dual also in between. That will be taught at that level. And there are many other segments that will go ahead, which will really open up your mind. But for that, we require a basic knowledge about at least your 7 Vibhaktis. You should immediately come to know, yeah, yes, this is Sashti Vibhakti. In this sentence, it should be a Sashti Vibhakti. We will all help you in the process. We are not leaving everything on your head. It is not only your responsibility. We are always here to help you. And the whole process will go accordingly. Need not worry. So by the end of this 10 days, might be you may remember hardly 3 or 4 Vibhaktis. Not all Vibhaktis. It is not possible. Am I right, Jyoti? Am I right, Ramesh? Am I
Yes,
right,
sir.
Vishala?
Yeah, I agree
Yes, sir.
completely. I think Vibhaktis in particular need repetition little longer time.
Yes, it requires a repetition. And after this thing, that Bhasha Bodhan work, you have to apply for Bhasha Bodhan. Then I or my wife or our volunteers, my old students, they may call you up and have a very short talk. Choti si baat. In that application, you will be given an option suitable time to call and suitable day to call. So you have to fix up your appointment. According to your time, you will receive the call. If you say midnight 2:30, yes, you will receive midnight 2:30 call. क्या हुआ?
We would like to know the person.
And during that call, we will be understanding whether you have taken up the basics in a right sense or not. Then only you will be allowed to get into Bhasha Bodhan. The reason is, do not waste money, because Bhasha Bodhan is for again 15 to 20 days. It will be a stretch of 15 to 20 days. Quite in details, new slides, new inputs. There will be a lot of worksheets. Every session will follow with a worksheet that you have to fill up for your own study. So you will receive a worksheet file. And after that worksheet, you have to fill up the worksheets as well for your own self. So that is, we have tagged, at present, we have tagged the price as 1,000 for that course. But I would insist, do not waste your money. Do not waste your money. Till the time I feel that, yes, this is the right time for them to go ahead, then only I will allow you. Because after that, we will be having Sandhi classes, Sandhi Varga. So there are n number of, till the time we are even going to take Ashtadhyay, Panini, Ashtadhyay. Those who want to go into literature, they can select that. But again, at every step, there will be interviews. Why? Because we do not want you all to miss the basics and directly jump ahead and get more confused. Rather, be confirmed, or in between our Abhyas work and Bhasha Bodhan, there is a Sambhashan also. We will be starting one-to-one Sambhashan, like there will be a class and there will be a day decided, might be a weekend, suitable time to the group. And there will be two groups that will be formed. From this, all the participants, they will be divided into two. Like number 1 is the roll number 1, 1A and 1B. 1A and 1B. So in advance, you will be given the subject on which you have to talk. Both will know each other, who is in front of me. So you all can practice and appear for Sambhashanam. That will improve your talking skills in Sanskritam. Because we don't want, future mein jaake, because we are now very soon, because of this COVID period, the work has stopped in between. We are going to have an affiliation with one university in Gujarat, which is specialized for Sanskritam. But by the time anybody wants to reach there, before that, they should be Sanskrit Sambhashit. They should know Sanskritam to talk at least. Basic talk is necessity. We do not want to arrest the Sanskrit as a language, which is a language, into a script. The Sanskrit is shouting, I am not a script, I am a language. Speak it out. It's a Samudra Manthan. Samudra Manthan mein se jo Amrut nikla tha. I have given that example as Sanskritam. That is my thinking. So the more you drink that Amrut, the more you speak, the more you drink. The more you will speak in Sanskrit, the more you will drink the Amrut. Can anybody speak and drink water at the same time? Can anybody? Please.
No.
Only Sanskritam will give you that experience that more you are talking in Sanskritam, you are simultaneously drinking Amrut. But if you speak, fine. So now, next batch, next month's batch will be decided by, as I said, it will be declared on Monday. Sabse pehle, those who want to repeat the session, session, my interest is everybody repeat the session. First, fill up your form. The form link will be sent to you first. It will not be made public because you are ongoing students, what we call ongoing students. Your studies have already started. So I cannot stop you all now. Your admission, your seat has to be confirmed in the batch. Now, the link that is sent to you, you can select the time that suits you. It is not necessary that this time you have selected 5:30 means permanently you are at 5:30. You can change your timing. If you say, no, okay, this time is suitable, okay, then carry on. If you say, no, I want to, because now unlock and all that procedure has started. So you will have option of 4 batches a day. Early morning 6:30 to 8 o'clock. And Sunday, Monday off, 2 days off. All the session from next batch onwards will have Saturday, Sunday off. Fine, weekend off. Are we? Because one weekend will be for the studies and revision. Means Saturday will be say for your studies and for your revision, and Sunday for your family. Sunday for your family. So no, the thing is, nobody can do any.
सर एक क्वेश्चन और है सर.
हाँ जी, पूछिए.
तो मंडे ये सर ये बेसिक क्लास का आपका डेली अर्ली मॉर्निंग भी सेशन होता है क्या?
हाँ जी. सो षष्ठी विभक्ति हिंदी में जहां पे का, के या की लगाया है उसे षष्ठी विभक्ति कहते हैं. जैसे कि ये प्रथमा, और जो रेड में दिख रहा है, लाल में जो दिख रहा है वो प्रथमा विभक्ति में शब्द है. हाँ, वृक्षः, वृक्षस्य. स्थालिका, आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग. स्थालिका याः. Salika as it is, yaha, just you have to add yaha. Ankani, ikaranta striling, ankani, ankanya, nyaha. Last alphabet को half करके आपको yaha लगाना है. Ankanyaha. Salika yaha, ankanyaha. Mitram, that is a neutral gender. Mitram becomes mitrasya. As you see, mitrasya and vrukshasya, they have the same formation. And aham, asmad ka aham. Aham will become mama. It is not mam. You have to pronounce it as mama. Yes, in between I saw a doctor had raised her hand. You wanted to ask anything, doctor?
No, I didn't raise. No.
I remember that. So, is this clear?
So in English the proposition would be off, right? Off.
In the sense, yes, off.
Ka, ke, ki in English would be off. OF.
Off or apostrophe s.
Both.
It can be, in some cases it will be off, in some cases it will be apostrophe s. Like vrukshasya parnaha haritaha. Vrukshasya parnaha parnani haritaha. So whose?
Yeah.
Trees.
The color of the color of the tree or of the leaf is green. So in English I would take it as off.
So trees, tree apostrophe s, leaves are green. Trees, leaves are green.
Okay, sir.
So it is apostrophe S, na? Eshah kasya putraha, whose son, WHO apostrophe S, whose son? Eshah Arjunasya putraha. This is Arjun's son. ARJUN apostrophe S. Arjun.
Yes, sir. Got it. Got it.
Agree. Atra, this is new point. These are just words, okay? But very oftenly we use these words. बहुत ही ज्यादा यूज करते हैं ये शब्दों का हम इस्तेमाल के बिना हम वाक्य कभी-कभी अधूरा हो जाता है. बट ये वाक्य में विभक्ति का कोई असर नहीं होता. क्योंकि ये वाक्य असर क्यों नहीं होता? क्योंकि ये जो शब्द है वो वाक्य में ना ही कर्ता बन सकते और ना ही करण बन सकते. मीन्स इन अदर वर्ड्स, these words can never take the place of subject or object of any sentence. That can make, these words can make your sentence more precise. But the vibhakti or the basic grammar के जो rules है, the rules of vibhaktis do not apply to any of such words. These for better understanding, there are many others we will be learning. So for better understanding, we will call them as a special words. यानी इसे विशेष शब्द का रूप देंगे. हम इसे क्या कहेंगे? विशेष शब्द. विशेष शब्द यानी क्या? इसमें विभक्ति नहीं लगती, पहली बात. दूसरी बात, क्यों नहीं लगती? क्यों नहीं लगती भाई? क्योंकि ये कर्ता या करण नहीं बन सकते. यानी दिस वर्ड्स कैन नेवर बिकम सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट. That is the reason vibhakti rules does not apply to these words. Simple logic, isn't it? Now, atra. Atra means here. Atra. Tatra. Atra. Tatra. There. Atra means here. Tatra means there. Question. Question. Kutra. Atra, tatra, kutra. Have you heard this word before? Kutra?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Where?
Saptakakara. Where? In Saptakakara. Okay. So kutra, where? Narendra Modi, atra asti va? No. No, atra nasti. Tatra asti va? No. Prashna. Kutra asti, even I do not know where he is. So I will say anyatra, somewhere. Anyatra means somewhere. Atra, here. Tatra, there. Kutra, where. Anyatra, somewhere. Devaha kutra asti? Sarvatra. Everywhere. Vayuhu kutra asti? Sarvatra. Everywhere. Akashaha kutra asti? Sarvatra. Atra. Tatra. Kutra. Anyatra. Sarvatra. Sarvatra. Etat varge chhatraha ekatra. All students are together, isn't it? We are together. Vedashala yaha, Vedashala. Akaranta Srili. Okay. Vedashala yaha chhatraha ekatra. यानी वेदशाला के स्टूडेंट सब यूनाइटेड है या एकत्र है. अत्र, तत्र, कुत्र, अन्यत्र. सर्वत्र, एकत्र. Are these 6 words? Have everybody understood this properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Absolutely clear?
Yes,
Clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Agree.
Yes, sir.
Uttamam. Now, बहुवचन, plural. बालकः, बालकाः, बालकः, बालकाः, पुरुषः, पुरुषाः, बालकः, बालकाः. मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर, पुल्लिंग शब्द, बालकः, राइट? बालकः. क्या किया हमने? बहुवचन बनाने के लिए हमने क्या किया? भेद क्या है? दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है?
दीर्घ लगा दिया.
आकारांत लगा दिए. दीर्घ यानी आकारांत लगा दिए. ठीक है. आकारांत लगा के विसर्ग है लगाया. आकारांत यानी आकारांत लगाकर विसर्ग लगाया. अभी आपको पता चला पिता, अगर उसमें विसर्ग होता तो क्या होता? पिता आकारांत है, अगर विसर्ग लगाते तो क्या बनता?
प्लूरल बन जाता वो.
प्लूरल बन जाता. पिता. साइमल्टेनियसली. तंत्रांश अभियंता, अहम तंत्रांश अभियंता, यानी एक वचन में अभियंता. अभी पुल्लिंग के हिसाब से विसर्ग लगाते तो बहुवचन बन जाता, प्लूरल बन जाता. इजंट इट? राजा, अगर विसर्ग लगाते तो राजाहा हो जाता, बहुवचन यानी बहुत सारे राजा. यानी आकारांत शब्द में या व्यवसाय वगैरह जो होता है वहां पे विसर्ग नहीं लगाते, परंतु आकारांत नाम होगा, नेम, तो आप विसर्ग लगाओगे. पिता इज नॉट अ नेम. पुरुषः इज नॉट अ नेम. बालकः इज नॉट अ नेम. तंत्रांश अभियंता इज नॉट अ नेम. You get my point, please? Am I connected?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हमारी महिला मंडल को हुआ क्या है आज? सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? जिमी तो एकदम शांत है. जिमी क्या हुआ तुझे?
I said yes, sir.
That you said I heard, but no questions. Am I such a good teacher that there is no question at all in the mind of students?
You are a good teacher, but I'm very slow learner, sir. So I was just listening to you properly.
See, Jimmy, I don't like people who curse themselves. Please.
Okay, sir.
Never ever do that. Never ever curse yourself. Whether in life and career, anything, if you succeed, do not have the command of the succeed. And if you fail, don't blame yourself for that. Analyze the problem. Because as I said, every lock, tala, is manufactured with the key. So every problem is manufactured with the solution. So it happens. सभी लोगों से निवेदन करता हूं, हाँ प्लीज अपने आप को कभी भी नहीं कोसना है. अपने आप को, why Jimmy you say कि we are slow or I am slow? Are you in any competition? No, you are into learning. You are not into competition. We are not. ये करने को बैठे नहीं है कि भाई to degrade something is my advantage. No. Sangam Sharanam Gacchami. We all together will go ahead. कभी कोई भी सदस्य को हाथ जोड़ के विनंती करते हो, never ever say that you are weak, never ever curse yourself, never ever say कि बहुत ये सब मेरे दिमाग में नहीं जाता. Try ट्राई तो कीजिए, इंटरेस्ट है इसलिए जुड़े हो। Jimmy, you have been regularly attending. There are Monica, you are regularly attending. Dr. Anita, being so busy, she has earlier also said she comes from the clinic at 5 o'clock, and I suppose there might be another timing as well after 8 o'clock. Doctor, you must be again going back to your clinic. In between time, she is utilizing for Sanskrit.
No, it's from 9 to 5 only.
9 to
Timing the 9 to 5 only.
Okay, fine. So that's nice. But then the family time is required.
Yeah.
So please. हाँ,
सर एक डाउट है, जो आपने पहले सेंटेंस यूज किया, वेदशाला छात्रः,
वेदशाला याहा,
वेदशालायाः छात्रः,
आहा,
तो छात्र तो मैस्कुलाइन हो गया, तो उसका फेमिनाइन जेंडर क्या होगा? छात्र होगा।
छात्रा होगा। अभी मैं आता हूँ। हाँ ठीक है, वही पॉइंट है इसके बाद वाला। In a pulling, in a masculine, छात्रः, what will be the plural? What will be the plural in masculine for छात्रः?
छात्राः।
छात्राः।
छात्राः। दिमाग में रखिएगा। Now we will check it out when we come to feminine. Okay. चषकः, चषकाः, चमसः, चमसाः. Are we clear with this? Just add aki matra and visarg again. It becomes plural.
Yeah, clear.
Clear. Now, balika, akaranta striling. Balika, akaranta striling. Balika, balikaha. Just added visarga. You did not remove anything, just added visarga. Isn't it? So here, striling student, chhatraha, in striling will be chhatra. What will be the plural of that?
छात्राः।
Chhatraha.
Same.
Same.
Okay.
So there are many words. Like if I say, for example, Vaidyaha. What is the plural? What is
वैद्याः।
Vaidyaha? Masculine.
Yeah.
Huh? Strilinga. Vaidya. What is the plural? Vaidyaha. Same. Same as pulling. So sometimes there are no differences in some words. There are no differences. Did you get? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
सभी लोगों को स्पष्ट हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Sir, how to
Yes, sir.
recognize those words?
They come. Sorry.
Yeah, you said now that some words will stay same. So how to recognize those words?
Recognize why as it comes you are going to do. If it is a pulling, you will have aki matra and visarga, and when it is akaranta striling, you will just add visarga. You
One question.
Okay, sir.
You don't need
One
to go
question.
into the analysis of the words. There might be a huge list. Why to mug it up? Go as you go. Go as you think.
Sir, one question.
Yes, Mahoday. I think so. Bell
Sir.
आपके उधर किसी के वहाँ पे बजी या मेरे इधर बजी? I don't know because I'm using this.
Not yet.
I heard. Yes.
सर ये आपने जो राजा कहा ना, तो राजा का आकार उसमें राजा ही होगा ना?
राजा विसर्ग होगा। राजा हाँ,
गॉट इट।
तो बहुवचन हो गया ना वो।
हाँ,
इसीलिए राजा एक वचन में राजा, पिता, अभियंता, ऐसे सारे शब्दों में, यानी आकारांत शब्दों में, आकारांत पुल्लिंग नाम में विसर्ग नहीं लगता, लेकिन व्यक्ति का अगर नाम हो तो विसर्ग लगेगा।
गॉट इट।
अग्रे लेखनी ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग, लेखनी, लेखन्यः, देयर इज डिफरेंस। लेखनी, लेखन्यः, ये तो प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी। नदी, नद्यः, नदी ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग, नद्यः। घटी, घट्यः। अंकनी, अंकन्यः, अंकनी, अंकन्यः। न्यः, लास्ट अल्फाबेट को हाफ करके यह लगाना है। सिंपल, isn't it? It will take some time for you all to remember it. परंतु yes, पुल्लिंग and स्त्रीलिंग, आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग immediately. This can, sometimes it can create a, you may forget, but repetition will always help you. अंकनी, अंकन्यः। कूपी, कुप्यः, कूपी, कुप्यः। Shall we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Neutral gender. गुरुहम, गुरुहम, गुरुहाणी। यहाँ पे गुरुहाणी या गुरुहम बोलते हो तो आधा रू अंदर छुपा हुआ है, आपको सुनाई देता है? गुरुहम, गुरुहाणी, गुरु, तो आधा र छुपा हुआ है। कैन यू हियर दैट वॉइस? आधा रू का।
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
We can hear. Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
it will be गुरुहाणी, न का ये लगेगा। परंतु पर्णम, पर्णम, पर्णानी, ऐसा क्यों सर? इधर आधा र इधर भी है तो न आना चाहिए था, तो ये नी क्यों आया है? बिकॉज
Two swords cannot come together.
वंडरफुल। ये स्वर कौन सा है इसमें?
Arna, arna.
ना, अण इज
Ana, ana is not ra.
ना ना, अण इज नॉट अ स्वर। न हलंत इज स्वर।
अनुनासिका.
अनुनासिका अस्ति।
Anunasika, हाँ, sorry. So what is the vowels
આમાં,
ને શું કહેવાય? Vowels ને શું
વોવેલ્સ
કહેવાય?
ને સ્વર કહેવાય।
હા, હા, સ્વર.
હા, તો સ્વરની અંદર પણ કેવી રીતના આવે?
હા, ana is a word ને? કારણ કે એક કક્કા બારાખડીમાં આવે છે.
હા હા, ઇટ ઇઝ કોન્સોનેન્ટ।
હા, consonant.
કોન્સોનેન્ટ છે।
હા, right.
ઓકે, વ્યંજન, તો વ્યંજન હોય તો વ્યંજન તો બે વ્યંજન તો આવે જ ને।
અણ બાજુમાં.
हाँ, दैट इज राइट।
હા.
दो अण ऐसा चीज है कि मैं उल्टा बोलता हूं कि रूल मत बनाइए, प्रोनाउंस करके दिखाइए। पर्णाणी, प्रोनाउंस हो रहा है क्या? पर्णम, पर्णाणी नहीं होता, इसलिए नी लगता है। व्यजनम, व्यजनम, व्यजनानी, व्यजनम, व्यजनानी। मंदिरम, मंदिरानी। भवनम, भवनानी। Am I clear with this? See, कौन से शब्द में न आएगा लास्ट में, उसके 3 रूल्स है। उसमें से पहला रूल हमने देखा, आधा र छुपा हुआ है। अगर वर्ड में आधा र है तो न आएगा, बट सच ऑप्शंस आर देयर। ये है, इट इज समथिंग विच इज यूनिक। न साथ में नहीं आएगा, इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू प्रोनाउंस। इट इज नॉट लाइक बनाना, BANANA। बनाना का स्पेलिंग मुझे आज भी नहीं आता है, वेरी फ्रेंकली। कितने एने पे रुकना है बोलते ही नहीं है, कौन से एने पे रुकना है। Are we clear with this बहुवचन? Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Yes, sir.
now in ekvachan we saw Saha, saha kaha. Saha, who is that? Saha kaha. Saha, Kishoraha. Eshaha kaha. Eshaha mama putraha. Saha kaha was the question in Ekvachan. Now, if there are many boys, saha kaha, saha balakaha. If there was balakaha, what will be your question? Te ke. Te ke. Te ke. And who are they? Te ke. Who are they? Te ke. Who are they? Te ke. Who are they? अभी याद रहेगा? अभी याद रहेगा क्या? I am making it simpler.
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Introduction.
That's what I was telling about the sound in Sanskrit.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you very much. Yes.
गुरुजी.
हाँ जी.
मैं है ना ये क्रियापदानी है ना, उसमें ऐसे ही याद रखती हूँ. गो जाना गच्छति, स्टडी पढ़ना पठति, ऐसे.
अरे वंडरफुल. रीटा, इसको रिकॉर्ड करके भेजो ना. We will send it to our all other friends also.
गुरुजी अभी मैंने पूरा नहीं किया है, मेरा अभी 10 तक हुआ है.
कोई बात नहीं है. टेक योर टाइम.
ओके.
हाँ, अपना ग्रुप तो ऑलवेज रहेगा. हाँ, वन मोर थिंग. हाँ, डू नॉट क्विट द ग्रुप आफ्टर you end the session. The reason is you will not get the information of the new batches that are there. So if you are joining the next batch, till the time you are not, your name does not appear in that group, तो आपको next group का तो notification आ जाएगा. You are joining this group करके कि ये group में आपको join किया है. Then leave the old group. But be connected with one of the group in the Vedshala. Okay? The best is to be with the latest one, because all latest information will come to you. That was nice, huh, Rita? Rita, आप record करके भेजोगे मुझे, please.
Thank you,
Rita,
sir.
Rita, you'll help everyone. You'll help everyone with Kriya Padani.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
She will do wonders here with this way.
सर मैंने बच्चों को पढ़ाया है 10
know.
साल तक.
यानी क्या बोली तू? गो क्या था? स्टार्ट कैसे किया था?
गो जाना गच्छति, स्टडी पढ़ना पठति, फॉल गिरना पतति, प्ले खेलना क्रीडति. ऐसे.
उत्तमम, उत्तमम.
धन्यवाद सर.
उत्तमम, उत्तमम. यूनिकनेस. यस. ते के. हाँ, बहुवचन में ते के. Now, what was in feminine gender? Anybody remembers?
Sa ka.
Absolutely. Sa ka. बहुवचने, हाँ, बहुवचने ताहा काहा. Taha kaha. Now here the condition is, in this feminine group, say for example, there is a group of 100 people, and out of that 100, 99 are feminine, ladies hai, woman, 99, and only one purush, only one male. The whole question will go into the masculine gender. Then that group will become te ke. Why? Because there is one man in that. Am I clear? Or in case there are mixed you do not know how many masculine people, how many feminine people. Kitne boys hai, kitne girls hai, you do not know. They are mixed. Then the question is again in masculine. Te, ke. Am I clear with this?
मेजोरिटी मैस्कुलिन में जा रहा है.
किसमें?
Majority masculine में जा रहा है. If 99% are girl and 1 are male, then also take A. If mixed, then also take A.
Ego problem. ego, male ego. This is not a majority, it is the male ego.
Male chauvinism.
Absolutely. So it is something like I am feeling, yeah, I am great. So now you tell me, if there are 99 male and 1 female, where the question will go?
Then also take A.
Take A.
Take A.
Obviously ना.
ये तो 9
एक का ईगो ने पूरे ग्रुप का जेंडर चेंज किया, तो 99 ईगो
9 साफी है ये.
9 साफी नहीं है, ये ईगो मैटर है. It is not about power. And we are the Sanskrit people. Even if you remove aham, the kriya will tell gachami, karomi, है ना? So even if I do not carry my ego, I can do the things. So let ego be with them. अहम करने दो उनको. अहम है कि नहीं है? I always advocate such things. मेल के बहुत ईगो रहते हैं. I have seen. क्योंकि अब मैं पैर दबाता हूं तो मेरी वाइफ के पैर दबाता हूं तो मेरा फ्रेंड पूछता है, यार क्या वाइफ के पैर दबाता है? यार कमाल है, बेचारी को दुख रहा है यार, वो किसके पास दबाएगी? यार तेरे लड़की को बोलना. अरे क्या का ईगो भाई? व्हाई दैट ईगो? वो होना ही नहीं चाहिए. रादर मेरी वाइफ को जब भी कैंसर पीरियड में थी, शी वाज हैविंग सो मच ऑफ प्रॉब्लम, हैवी केमोस एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. I used to do everything for her. तो वो मुझे आजकल क्या बोलती है? आजकल नहीं, after that she has started calling me that you are my मूंछ वाली मम्मी. तू मेरी मूंछ वाली मम्मी है.
So nice.
Yeah, I am telling you very frankly, like a child I have done everything.
That should be.
It is the duty. मुझे होता तो क्या वो नहीं करती क्या?
Absolutely correct.
अगर मुझे वो होता तो क्या वो नहीं करती? वो बेचारी आधी हो जाती उसमें करने में. तो मैं तो 100 ग्राम भी नहीं किया, वो तो हाफ हो जाती उसका मेरे पीछे भाग भाग कर. मैंने तो whatever I have done, I feel that I am not even done 1% of what she would have done in case मुझे कुछ हुआ होता तो. Let us go ahead. तो ये तो सब ईगो मैटर है, जाने दो ईगो को. नाउ न्यूट्रल जेंडर. हाँ जी.
गिव एंड रिसीव, नॉट गिव एंड टेक.
हाँ, इट इज गिव एंड रिसीव. दैट्स वंडरफुल यू सेड. वंडरफुल. आज बहुत अच्छे ज्ञान मिल रहा है मेरे को. मेरे को इज पिक्युलर.
सर आपसे ही प्रेरित हूँ.
आपसे ही प्रेरित हूँ. ये अभी मेरा गला काटने वाली है. क्या हुआ ज्योति? मैं तो गाय हूं, गाय. आई एम अ गाय. यस. सो चले. सा का, ताहा, काहा, ताहा, काहा. ओके. नाउ न्यूट्रल जेंडर. तत् किम, तत् मंदिरम, तत् किम, तत् मंदिरम. तानी कानी, तानी कानी, तानी मंदिरानी, तानी कानी, तानी मंदिरानी.
So
तानी,
etah क्या था?
हाँ जी,
Etah क्या था? What is etah?
एतत is when it is near.
No. Etah.
एतः,
जैसे in female taha kaha, then
हाँ,
etah. What is etah?
एता is for near, ना एशा is for near.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Just a moment. Have you missed this topic earlier?
No, I was there.
Yeah. Saha means dure.
हाँ.
Eshaha means samipe.
Hmm.
Sa dure. Esha samipe. Tat dure. Etat samipe.
Hmm.
So accordingly, eshaha will become te hai na, so it will become ete for near.
Okay.
If there are people in front of me, एते के, मैं किसी को पूछ रहा हूं, एते के, अरे एते बालकाः, अति उत्तम, एते छात्राः, एते मेरे आसपास है तो. If they are far off, I will say te ke, because they are far away. If they are close, accordingly, ta, sa ka, and esha ka. Sa ka dure asti, esha ka samipe. Similarly, taha kaha, taha balikaha, taha kaha, taha balikaha. If they are near me, etaha kaha, etaha kaha.
Okay, got it.
Now tat, etat, similarly tani, etani. Just to remember, a is applied to be near. Okay, a, you apply a to make it near. That's it. Now how rhythmic it looks, na? Tani kani, tani vyajanani, तानी कानी. मामा कानी मत कर देना, हाँ, कि मामी कानी, ऐसे भी मत बोलना. मुझे पता है कुमुदिनी के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है. She will immediately say मामी कानी, तानी कानी. With this